Hello students, this is part 3 of Ocean Bottle. We should be somewhere, I think I left you with 3 layers, and let's get started. You should have brought in your Mexican beach and your bottle, and let's make a duplicate layer of the bottle. Command J, duplicate layer of the bottle, and now let's desaturate the bottle. It's Command Shift U, or on the file menu, it's Image Adjustment. Desaturate right down here. So now we have a desaturated version or layer at the very top. We want to change that to overlay because we just want to use the highlights of it, and then drop the opacity. Now you decide where you want it. I'm going to put mine between 10 and 12, and if you just visibility icon that on and off, you'll see the difference between one and the other. Maybe about 17%. And then be sure to highlight both your layers together, lock them with this tool down here, so when you move them, they move together, and then go ahead and lock them if you don't want to mess with them again. Alright, get that done, come back and see me. Okay, here we go. We're going to do the photo filter part of it. We're going to create a new photo filter adjustment layer. Now don't pull it from the file menu here, image adjustment layer or layer new adjustment layer. Pull it from the bottom of the layers panel. Just hit the flyout menu and find photo filter, and then choose from the adjustments panel that pops up on the layer side of it. You'll see, good Lord, I can't even get this going right. The underwater part of the filter right here at the very bottom. See filter under adjustments, and this panel popped up when I hit create new adjustment layer, and bring it up to about 40-ish. Perfect. And you can see the adjustment by eyeballing this on and off here. Just giving it some blue. Drop the opacity to maybe 50% and change that to overlay as well. There we go. Now you can see a little bit of pop there. I don't know if you can see that. Really making it dramatic. And now we're going to make another new layer. We're going to call this new layer Doodle. Command Shift N for a new layer and name it Doodle. Command Shift N, Doodle. And on this layer, we don't want to see anything else, so we can see what's going on. Press B for your brush, and in your color panel, foreground, choose a dark blue, and then press X to flip to your background, and in your background choose a light blue, almost a neon-ish, something like that. Doesn't have to be perfect. Make sure your brush is pretty good size. Don't doodle with a tiny brush, and just draw some squiggly lines in here just like this. Press X to flip on the colors, maybe adjust the size, and do some more. There we go, something like that. And once you've done that, I want you to filter, blur, Gaussian blur, and 200 pixels should do it. And now we have a colored layer. Go ahead and bring your other visibility icons back on and look at it on and off. First of all, set it to, I think, let's look at overlay first, and then screen. And let's look at overlay. Set it to overlay and drop the opacity to where you like it. I'd say down about 30%. And you can see, I don't know if you can see that, but it changes the color, gives a little more color, and drop it below the photo filter layer. Alright, get that done, and then I want you to open up the beach. Please have bridge open, but we're going to be using these two beaches right here. Let's start with this one right here. Hit return, open it up, cut out the beach, copy it, and bring it over to the ocean bottle. Okay? When you get that done, come back and see me. See ya.